Hello students, now we will discuss the mixer brush tool. The mixer brush tool is also very awesome and professional tool. First of all, you will have to select mixer brush tool. Now you can see there the color is which we have in foreground color, like foreground color is this color. You can see it will change here also. So what we will do with eyedropper tool, some clean neat color we will select from here, then select mixer brush tool, and now if you use here you can see for the retouching purpose, like just click and it will see this is paint brush tool also you can say, and for the retouching purpose we can use this tool. So easily we can remove the blemishes, spots and these types of other things using mixer brush tool. Now you can see this part is much better than this part. See this part. So using this tool, other also blemishes we can remove. So this is a very professional and easy tool. Thank you very much for watching.